import context in DesignDiverso Automata. So first off, what you want to do is making sure by heading over to settings and custom fields. Now here you have a list of your custom fields, and you want to compare with the fields that you have in your CSV file, for example. So this is how the file looks, and as you can see, we have different columns according to the context items, or elements, and this is how the file should look in order for DesignDiverso Automata to be able to read it properly, right? So you should check this and make sure that there are no extra columns and kind of mistakes or anything like that that will prevent smooth upload and reading on the DesignDiverso Automata end. So here is how it looks, and then all you have to do is head over to context, go to the drop down here and hit import. So from here you can select your CSV file, for example, and set the limit according to the amount, quantity, context that you have. For this example, we're just gonna leave it at 100, and then hit upload. And pretty much you can select your content owner, and eventually you can select the segment for which you want to import context. And here you can see that all the columns that we were talking about before are matched here, right, against your database. This is Monic. This is where DesignDiverso Automata is based. I have a list of columns according to what we were talking about before, so matching the actual file. And here we suggest the import in browser. So do not close the tab until the import is complete. So this will take a few seconds to a minute eventually, depending on speed, and then that's it. So as you can see, because we already had the same context with our DesignDiverso Automata, only 5 were created, which is new, and the rest was merged and ignored eventually. So this was successful, and then you can view the context here, right? But this is just the context that we have. And this is how you import context in DesignDiverso Automata.